So I was at work yesterday and I was showing a coworker of mine a couple sound effects that I can do. So I have two that I'm going to do for you right now. The first one is a bicycle horn. Now it consists of two noises. The one it's basically a fa hm. It starts with a fa, ends in a hm. The hm is almost inaudible, so it might take me a couple of times to get into it, but now the second one is a baby cry. Yeah, I don't really know. There's no lead up to this one. It's a baby cry. Anyway, that's it. Enjoy.